Hello everybody, welcome to today's tip of the week. I'm Thomas and I'm very happy to show you a very quick thing I found out in our newest version of the software called Impact 17, which we'll be very happy to release in a couple of weeks time, and that is why we'd like to get you into the mood for some new things that you are going to discover in the newest version. As you can see from the picture and the hashtag that I have put up there is regarding our tables and our beds in Impact 17, and mostly regarding inactive tables. So a lot of times I have been in discussions about, people wanting to move their beds or deactivate the bed for a period of time and then activate it again, or a bed that is not existing anymore, and because we have data on it, then we cannot just remove it. So if I just go out of here, if I go here into the resource manager and I go to my settings, in a previous tip of the week I have shown you how to create your cast units. So in the cast unit state, that's what we're going to look into. We have the possibility of active, fictive, and now we have added the possibility for inactive. What is active and what is fictive? Of course, active is the one that is shown in the picture, like here it will show, and the amount that we put on will count against our plant elements. Fictive, on the other side, is when we can see the bed, but it is most a test bed, so whatever we put on is not going to count against our monthly capacity, against our monthly production, for example. And now the inactive one, which you will see in a moment, it's the one that basically takes away the visibility of the bed, so basically deactivates it, but just to make sure we all understand, whatever has been produced on that table still is there. It is state, and of course we can see what we have produced in the previous years, for example, on that table. It's just not shown, the picture of it does not show in our cash planner. So how easy it is to do? Needless to say, I can just take table 1, go and say inactive, save changes, and then go back to my cash planning, press refresh, and hopefully this table 1 will just disappear. It's just gone. And then again, in the same way, you can just bring back this extra table, let's say it's active again, go back to the cash planner, and say bed is on here. That is it from me, a small one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you all next week.